Hi, I'm Divya Sneha. I was working as a Java application developer. Then one of my friend suggested me for myTectra, which to upgrade my skills. There we had Akhilesh sir. He provided us good teaching, course materials, as well as he taught us about microservices, Spring Boot, Angular, and various technologies. So it was very helpful to build up a career. So thank you, myTectra.